Hey, how you doing? This is Pat Hamer. Anyways, I'm producing a video right now. I'm in my studio here. All the trappings of a studio, kind of, sort of. Anyways, welcome. So my track fell off. I've got an excavator, and the track falls off every now and then. You gotta keep an eye on them things, tighten them up all the time. And anyways, my excavator's probably got about, I don't know, 250 hours on it. I just did the maintenance on it for that. And it's new. Bought it in September and then had to sit through the winter. Up in the snow, up in the mountains, didn't get to use it too much then, but anticipated using it in the spring, and now it's spring. So my phone is ringing off the hook, and I bought it for my property. I bought 31 acres. I bought an old gold mining town, and that's another story, but I use it to develop that property, and we've got 3 parcels, and we're selling 2 if you want to be my neighbor. And we've got resources we're going to be farming. We've got 3-acre pond. We've got fish. So anyways, you're welcome to join us in our endeavor. And I'm selling this house with this wonderful studio included. Well, you don't get the equipment, but you can put your own stuff in. And anyways, getting back to the excavator, I digress like that too often. And so we are going to be talking about this excavator here. And of course, I will be, what will I be doing? I will be up here in the corner somewhere. I remember how to do this. There we go. Okay, so got it going. I'm in my studio, as you can see, and getting used to these buttons here. So, to this excavator, let's take a look here. So anyway, let's get it going. So you can see me, I'm putting blocks in my angle blades so that I can relieve the pressure. Right over, let me get my mouse here, right, this little gadget here, that's hiding a Zerk fitting for the pistons, or for the rams, to relieve the pressure. Yep, slip track on the case. So this is me yapping. Hopefully I get this on pretty easy, and we'll see what happens. I got it on time lapse. So, got to relieve the pressure in the rams, and then it should go on pretty easy. I use that block of wood there with my angle blade to squeeze it, and we'll see what that does. Okay, so anyways, my cool transitions. Here I am grabbing my tools, and I'm taking my time. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm back on it. So I got my knee pads on. I use those for my metal detector. I have a metal detector, and I look for gold. I found gold out there. Matter of fact, this little bad baby here. You look at that here. Come on, come over here. Boom, there. That's my 1/4 ounce. I got a bunch of gold, anyways. So, and I'm going to be goofing around with that, taking that off. I got the Zerk out. I'm trying to find a place to put it, keep the dirt off it. I found a place. I'm going to go in there. I'm compressing the ram. Squirt, there goes the grease. I didn't get it enough, so lifting it up, putting it in a different position. Boom. The grease came out. There it is. It's on the dirt. Oops, not good. So I pick up the grease, throw it away. Now I'm sitting here. This is the part, that I really hadn't figured out up at this point, because it's fallen off about 3 or 4 times. And so I started doing my. That's how I got it on before. It was pretty easy, but I found a better way. If you can get it, I can have a 4-wheel drive truck, and but the key point is to get this front off of the track. Sometimes I try to install it with that on it, but you want to totally get it off and free, and then get it all loosened up. Now this roller here, you have to make sure that is above that, because you won't be able to get it on. It'll just hit the track rail, or whatever it's called, will hit that, and it won't go on. So you want to make sure you get that up high enough, just a little bit past it. Don't put it too far past because you don't have that much room. So I'm hooking up a come along to my bumper. You saw my truck earlier, 4-wheel drive. We drove it down there, and this is a fire roads I'm doing for a client, and he can also access his property too at the same time. And there we go. Boom. See, I move it all the way back, get it on, take it off. Now I'm going to hook it on the front there, and I got to pull that. So I'm going to take most of the weight and pull it with my angle blade. So I got me a clamp. And bam, pulled it. Okay, now I'm going to go check it out, see what's going on, because I've never done it this way before. This is a new way of doing it. I observed the situation, like the Artful Dodger. Or no, that was Fagin. Yeah, Fagin. Yeah. I'm an Oliver Twist fan. You have to excuse me. Oh, let's hear it for Oliver Twist. Okay, so I got it on. You see that? I pulled it. I actually, here, let's go back and take a look at this. Oh, Oliver's still in the thunder. Okay, so. All right, so that my strap is loose. I'm taking it off, the coupler, and pull it. Just pull it. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Got it on. Got it on. Boom. Yay! I give a little yay. Put the doodad back in. Grease it up. You know, when I first bought this tractor, I seen this happen on other videos, and I thought, oh my God, what a nightmare. You know, but really, you know, it's not very intimidating once you do it once. It's not a big deal. Although I would say me and a client messed around. One time I took it off and I couldn't see. There we go. You're pumping grease back in it, getting it tightened up. And I used the rule of thumb. It says about 7/8 of an inch play between the track metal and the roller on the bottom. And so I use my thumb. That's about that. And that's the slack. And so now I'm going to not do what I did last time and only do one side, because the other side's the one that fell off a week earlier. And so I'm going to check that one side again, and actually it was fine. I did squirt a couple shots in there though. And so that the road there is totally indistinguishable now. I'm done with that job. It was I would say 1,500, 2,000 linear feet of road, and I did it in 39 hours. So, and that was actual work time. Using my mainly my excavator, and then my brand new loader grader, M7060, awesome 12-speed 4-wheel drive tractor cab. Well, ultra, what do they call it? The ultra cab or something. Oh, look at that shameless plug. There we go. My shameless plug. Okay. Boom. All right. So that's how you change. You put a track that has fallen off. No big deal. And anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next video, we'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Oh, wait a minute. That was a good one there. You got to see this one again. I left my camera on there, which is it's a, what do you call it? A Pocket 2, DJI Pocket 2. And as I was driving off, boom, it hit a little branch on the side. It was on a magnetic mount. Didn't hurt it. And it fell in the soft dirt. But that concludes this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.